Hello!
Welcome to our channel.
This channel helps you learn daily routine English.
We speak simple and easy English.
Let us start today's daily routine.
Follow and listen carefully.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I wake up early every morning.
I wake up when the alarm rings.
I turn off the alarm.
I sit on the bed.
I stretch my arms.
I take a deep breath.
I feel fresh.
I feel relaxed.
I open the window.
I enjoy the fresh air.
I look outside.
I check the weather.
I leave my bed.
I stand up slowly.
I go to the bathroom.
I follow my routine.
I wash my face.
I brush my teeth.
I feel awake.
I feel clean.
I look in the mirror.
I smile slightly.
I change my clothes.
I wear clean clothes.
I comb my hair.
I feel ready.
I go to the kitchen.
I enter the kitchen.
I prepare breakfast.
I help a little.
I make healthy food.
I wait patiently.
I serve breakfast.
I sit at the table.
I eat slowly.
I enjoy my meal.
I drink water.
I drink tea.
I clean the dishes.
I organize my bag.
I wipe the table.
I check my items.
I check my plan.
I review my tasks.
I start my work.
I begin my work.
I focus carefully.
I stay disciplined.
I avoid distractions.
I manage my time.
I take short breaks.
I stretch my body.
I drink water again.
I stay hydrated.
I continue working.
I keep moving forward.
I complete small tasks.
I complete assignments.
I stay positive.
I stay motivated.
I feel confident.
I feel productive.
I prepare lunch.
I wash my hands.
I cook simple food.
I wait calmly.
I serve lunch.
I sit comfortably.
I eat peacefully.
I eat mindfully.
I clean the kitchen.
I help quickly.
I take short rest.
I relax my mind.
I feel calm.
I feel refreshed.
I resume work.
I return to tasks.
I complete remaining work.
I finish important tasks.
I feel satisfied.
I feel proud.
I go for a walk.
I stretch outside.
I enjoy fresh air.
I feel relaxed.
I return home.
I change clothes.
I prepare dinner.
I set the table.
I eat dinner early.
I eat calmly.
I clean the kitchen.
I help again.
I prepare for tomorrow.
I organize my things.
I go to my room.
I set the alarm.
I lie on the bed.
I relax my body.
I think positively.
I clear my mind.
I close my eyes.
I fall asleep.
Our daily routine ends here.
Thank you for watching.
Like, share, and subscribe.
See you in the next video.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.